Hey everyone, got this new battery charger, the Noco Genius 5. I purchased it myself with my own money for my car that sits a lot of the time not being driven and I keep killing batteries. Figured to bring you along and share my simple experience with how this works. Just in case there's people that are curious like I was out there about how it works. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of this. Okay, first we have the battery charger itself. Got the AC charging cord on this side. And then on this side, we've got the DC charging plug. This has a little clip and cap. There's this connector here. I don't recognize that, so maybe this is a proprietary connector. In this bag, we've got 2 screws, and then we've got this mounting strap. So I assume this allows you to permanently mount this inside of your vehicle, and then you're able to easily strap and unstrap the charger. And then last but not least, we've got these little alligator clips. And somehow in here, there's a way to remove this cable or something and get some ring terminals. We'll look in the instruction manual here. I'm going to use the picture on the side of the box because it's easier to see and in color compared to in the manual. But you're able to disconnect these little screws right here going onto the clips right there, and it will give you a little eyelet to be able to permanently screw it to a distribution block or something if you don't want to just clip it to your battery terminals. The eyelets are definitely better for a permanent installation. It does come with a fuse, a 10 amp fuse. We have some documentation. It has 7 modes: standby, standard 12 volt battery charging, 12 volt AGM charging, 12 volt lithium battery charging, 6 volt battery charging, force mode, so that if the battery is completely dead, no voltage, you can force it to start charging, and then a 12 volt repair mode to repair damaged batteries. And they're estimating on 12 volt batteries, if you have a 100 amp hour battery, which is a very common size, it will take approximately 15 hours to charge the battery with this charger. Okay, let's just see what happens when we turn this on. I've got it currently connected to a lithium iron phosphate battery, and this is supposed to be able to charge that, but we have to have it connected to a battery supposedly to get any kind of information on the screen to come up. So let's see if we can do this without blowing anything up. Alright, we have an amber light on the power, and we can select the lithium option there. Nope, there we go. I hear it charging. Now this particular battery has a little display right here, so we can actually see if anything is happening. So it does say it's charging. It's charging currently at 2 amps, 4 amps, so it's going up now. And the battery, it's close to full actually already, 13.3 volts. It is finished topping off the lithium iron phosphate battery. And just so you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera very easily, but the green light, once it's fully charged, just sits here and pulses a green solid light, and the little charge bars turn off. So that's pretty cool. Well, let's try it on my car battery. That's the main reason I bought this, and let's go see what it does to that. All right, excuse the noise. The neighbor's mowing his lawn, but we've got this and plugged into the battery, and it's been charging for a little while. But you can see here we've just connected it here to the car battery. So we'll be back in a couple of hours and see what the status of this is. All right, it's been overnight, and I let this sit, and I don't know if you can see, but the shutter speed is playing games with the light. But anyway, it's just kind of fading off and on, getting bright and then dim. So that's just in maintenance mode. So it's fully charged this. Let's disconnect it and see how the car sounds when it starts. All right, so as you heard, fired right up. Sounded very healthy and very strong. So I'd say that that's a success. This trusty little device, pretty inexpensive for what you get. There's even cheaper ones. You can get the Noco Genius 1, which is even cheaper. I think it's like 30 bucks or something. This one, I think I bought mine for about 70 bucks. I'll leave a link for it down in the description, but works really well. I think it's definitely worth the investment. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short test. We'll have to see if I end up killing another battery. Hopefully not, now that I have this and I can just maintain the batteries for the car that's parked here for extended periods of time. But if I end up killing another battery, we'll test this and see if it can revive it at all. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks so much.